In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla, not showing cars around you, not displaying traffic correctly, or failing to recognize other vehicles. This feature is part of Tesla's Autopilot, or Full Self-Driving FSD visualization. And if it's not working properly, here's what you can do. Start by ensuring your Tesla's software is up to date. Go to Controls, Software, check for updates and install any available updates. Outdated software can cause issues with sensors, cameras, or traffic detection features. Next, clean the cameras and sensors located around your vehicle. Dirt, debris, snow, or ice on the cameras, especially the front and rear bumpers, can interfere with their ability to detect other cars or traffic. Use a soft cloth or cleaning solution to gently clean these areas. If the problem persists, recalibrate the sensors by turning the car off completely and then restarting it. You can also try toggling the Autopilot or FSD features off and on again in the Controls menu. Sometimes resetting these systems can resolve temporary glitches. Check if the issue occurs in specific conditions, such as heavy rain, fog, or low visibility. In these cases, the sensors may struggle to detect surrounding vehicles due to environmental factors. If the problem happens in clear conditions, there may be an issue with the cameras, ultrasonic sensors, or radar system. If none of these steps work, reset the vehicle's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the touchscreen restarts. After the reset, test the traffic and vehicle recognition features again. Finally, if the issue continues, contact Tesla service to schedule an inspection. There could be a deeper problem with the sensors, cameras, or software that requires professional repair. If this video helped you fix your Tesla, not showing cars around you, or traffic issues, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.